I don't care what I break at this point. Honestly, do not. Alright boys, welcome back. So, it's finally here. It's the first vlog of the LSA. We're really attempting this. This is crazy, but let me show you what we got going on, or what we're starting with. So first thing, we gotta get this fuel pump out, or we're doing the trap door. So we're in the middle of cutting this out right now. It's pretty sketchy, but we're getting that done. And then once we start with this, the first goal is to just run the fuel system. So we'll probably play with that, mock all that up. But also, I'm probably gonna take all my pulleys off, drain my intercooler, because I gotta pull the intercooler off for the crankshaft seal, whatever, and then take all that stuff off. Probably just take the intake off, do all that crap. So that's probably gonna be all in this vlog. It's just taking everything out, and then we'll start with the fuel system, and that'll probably be a separate vlog. But we're running this, boys. I'm pretty hyped, I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna show you how we cut this. Hopefully we don't blow each other up, but we should be good.
You might be alright right there.
Sheesh. Damn, that shit cut me. First drop of blood, boys. So we barely.
You might have to cut a little bit.
We
out
almost
right
nicked
there.
that wire.
You might have to cut just a little bit out.
And but she still started back up, but almost nicked it. Holy crap. She gone. Butter. Yep. This whole bumper should come off now because I think I got them all off. I don't know what else holds this on. I got all my screws out of my bumper here. I took the little, all you gotta do is like turn your wheel and then undo those little clips down here, and then it kind of just pops off. But little clips in here, they just pop out. I just use like a screwdriver, jam it in there. Yeah, unplug all this stuff. Alright, coil packs are off. Now we're gonna disconnect this little fuel line here. Pretty sure I remember how to do this. Chevateria is not here, so I'm pretty sure I just pop this thing in here and then it pulls out. Sweet. So I'm using all these like these little crates to like keep all my stuff together in. Kind of keeps it all organized, but I won't need this anymore. So actually, if you need an intake, I need the throttle body. I gotta take that off. Sheesh. Sir, this is pretty cool. Probably drain this coolant thing, take the radiator out, and then see what we're gonna do after that. Once this radiator's out, kind of clears up some front space. Well, I just made the biggest mess trying to get this coolant. My pan here is so dirty, so I was like, oh, I'll try to use this as to catch it all, and it was not catching it, and then it all fell on the floor. But we should be good. That's disgusting. But hopefully I can fill that back up and reuse it. Alright boys, I was really confused on this coolant thing, so like I didn't actually video it. But all it does is you kind of squeeze this on, I think it's over here on the other side, squeeze it, these slide out, they just come right off. And then I took my my big pry bar and I pried up on this, and then these pop right out. And that's pretty much what holds this in. And then there's a line here. I disconnect my hose from this part, and then there's this hose. I think there's a little hose that runs down here. That should be every. This is gonna be the most dumbest bolt I've ever seen GM have to use. Like, why would you make this in this tight area? All right, so these two lines right here, they have these little clips in here, right on here. It's like a little fitting. I stuck two like little needles in there. I jammed them in there. It's like you just pop them right off. They sling out, and then this just slides right off. So that should be it for the intercooler. That took me this is probably taking me 2 hours. I was rolling through all this, and then next thing you know, dude, it's like we got stuck. Then I got something to eat, and then my boy came over, and I was on the phone. Oh, so shout out to my man John for helping me. Yeah, I hit him up. He was like, yeah, just pop them pins off, and we talked a good while. He's actually getting his transmission, his torque converter bolt keeps snapping off. So we were talking about that. That sucks for him. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I really don't. Like, I'm trying to get this thing to come out. Come out. Yeah, easier time pulling the motor. I don't care what I break at this point. Honestly, do not. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. This was not cool. Alright, so now this is all out. I just took my pulleys off. I don't know if I'm gonna attempt to do this tonight, but yeah, I don't know if this was a good sign or not, but I just broke this loose like super easy. It usually doesn't break loose like that, but whoa, that is some serious Loctite. So I'm attempting to try this now because I'm very determined, and I have my puller on here. I'll show you how it goes when I take it off. Well, hopefully it comes off. That must have been where that oil leak was coming from. Look at this. I hope that's just the seal. So yeah, that's how that goes on there. Like I was saying, 3 claws. You just want to grab it, and then when this goes through here, like, well, you want to put this through here first, and then screw this part on. But basically, this just pulls the pulley off of the motor. I don't know what that little piece is, but that's kind of scary down there. I'm gonna try to message some people. I'm gonna try to message some people, see what they say. Hopefully nothing bad is going on down there. I think it's just the seal, but I don't know. I'm kind of stressed about that, Loki. My dad should be here tomorrow, so hopefully he can give me some guidance on that. But yeah, so we're gonna check tonight, and we'll be back in the morning. Say that again.
Fuel pump tank. You can't.
My battery's dead. Shoot. But
all right, you come back here and then I'll get you them dates. You can cut that.
So we took the hammer and chisel and spun it around. I couldn't do it. He struck this sucker so big, or he hit it pretty hard with this, and it knocked it loose. But so yes, so now I should just this stupid line here. I might just cut that.
It's going all over your seat.
That probably was not a good idea. Just pour her out.
Oh, there's your return on there. So now cut that.
Was that just stay in the gas tank?
What?
You said cut it or untwist it?
Where does it?
Here, I got it. Wait. Alright, so I'm sure I'll do a little sneak peek real quick. Ooh, that's all we got. That's all we got, boys. So look, we got a lot done so far. Really appreciate y'all following the build. I hope this helped you guys. If you guys got any questions, please reach out to me. But yeah, shop's a mess right now, boys. We've been working our butts off. But me and my pops, a couple people been by to help me. But yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on IG at 1bad8, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. I swear, I better beat a Hellcat. I better beat a Hellcat.